Hey, hey.
Hey guys! What's up? Itong video na to, I dedicate this to all my ladies out there, mga independent women, boss ladies who wants to wear or loves to wear makeup when they're going to work or for any formal occasions. Ginawa ko tong very simple, professional makeup look. Get it? Pro-fresh. Kasi professional, tapos fresh yung you get it. Kailangan talagang explain that you can wear when you're in a hurry, when you're on the go. This look is very lightweight and very easy to do. And gumamit ako ng mga affordable products galing sa drugstores. And some of these products I bought online. So if you guys want to know how I did this very simple, professional look, then just keep on watching.
Hey guys, what's up? So magtatali muna ako ng buhok. Okay, may pimple na naman ako. Tali muna ako ng buhok and put on some hairband. And to start off with our face, I'm going to prime it with this LA Girl Pro and Prep and just rub it in with my fingers and apply it to my face. Now for the brows, I'm using this Bilena Kleopatra brow pencil in dark brown and just fill in my brows. I really recommend using a brow pencil when you're on the go kasi sobrang dali lang niya i-apply. Okay, next, I'm using this Nichido Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Espresso to give my eyebrows a more 3D effect. Para mas fresh looking tayo, I'm taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange just to correct and conceal my dark under eyes and using my fingers to blend it all in. For the base, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade Natural Buff. And shaking the bottle, I'm placing the foundation on my hand and just mixing it and applying it on my face and using a buffing brush to spread the foundation. Next, for my concealer, I'm using this BYS All Day Wear Concealer in the shade Natural Beige and ilalagay ko siya under my eyes and sa mga areas na gusto ko pang i-highlight. And using a damp beauty blender to blend it all in. Next, to contour our face, I'm using this NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Universal. And I'm just taking this underneath my cheekbones, to the temples of my face, to my jawline, and also to the sides of my nose. Now to blend our cream contour, I'm just using again my damp beauty blender. And for my nose contour, I'm just using my fingers for a more precise blending. Now here I'm just setting my face with a loose powder, and it's very important to set your face with any loose powder to avoid creasing and for your makeup to last all day long. To give more life to my face, I'm using this BYS Contour and Highlight Kit, and using these two shades together, I'm going to bronze up my face. For a light wash of color to my eyes, I'm using this bronzer and contour shade and just wipe it into my eyelids. To prep for mascara, I'm using an eyelash curler to curl my lashes and spreading them with my fingers. Then I'll be using this BYS Miraculous Lash Mascara and applying few coats to my lashes. Now to slay the day, I'm taking this red lipstick from Isabel Cosmetics in the shade Rachel. And for a more precise application, use a lip brush to spread the product to your lips. to give her face some glow, I'm using this highlighting shade from the BYS Contour and Highlighting Kit. And just highlight the tops of my cheeks, on the bridge of my nose, and to the inner corners of my eyes. Now to set that all in and for your makeup to really last all day, I'm using this BYS setting spray in matte finish.
So guys, that is it for the finished look. I hope may natutunan kayo from this video. And to all my boss babes, ladies out there, always keep it classy and slay the day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this kind of videos, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!